Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Drop me a like because I'm out here hustling at the end of the day, walking up 6 flights of stairs for you guys, so I'd appreciate that. Worked on this today with the coworker at the end of the day. This is very tall. This is like 16, 20 feet, I don't know. I think it's at least 15 feet, but I was basically standing at the top of a ladder for a while doing this, trying not to fall off, so that was fun. And then we had to set up scaffolding across from here over to here. Basically set up a ladder here, set up an extension ladder over here, and then just run a metal plank across. So anyways, had my coworker up on there so I didn't have to, so that was nice. But we ran this pipe across the ceiling. Didn't turn out the best, but anyways, got that done. And then did some more dangerous stuff, so I will go down here and show you. I don't think I did all of that side yesterday, right? So I did a couple more of the regular lights over here, and then they went ahead and covered them. I think they're gonna paint or something, I don't know. So anyways, I had them all leveled and stuff, so now hopefully they're not messed up too bad. But anyways, so I did like 2 of those, and then that, I feel like I did 3, 4, I don't know how many I did today, but anyways, on the way downstairs, that's basically all I worked on today was those lights. And then also the light, I still gotta walk down there, but there's another light that I had to do off an extension ladder, which I thought was bad, but that one up at the very top was a lot worse, just because it was a lot higher, and I didn't really have that much support. So I'm just gonna walk down here real quick. So this is the one that I had to do right there off an extension ladder against this wall. So I was sitting there, and then there, and then basically worked on that. And then at the end of the day, I realized I think I wired it wrong. So my coworker was right there, so I just had him check it with my screwdriver, and it was wrong. So now I'm having stress about did I do all the other ones wrong, but I think it was just this one for some reason. So anyways, that about wraps up my day. I'm gonna head out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry, this was kind of boring video, but I'm trying to do another one take because I got stuff after work, and let's try to get to the end of the giveaway. So let's get that squared up once and for all. So if you're the winner, please contact me. I think your time is up, but I'll go on to the next person. So anyways, I'll double check on that here shortly, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out. Thanks for subscribing. All right, guys, so almost done in the second stairwell, the last stairwell, south stairwell. There's 2 more lights down above the other stairs. Right when you walk into the first floor, you go straight upstairs onto the second floor. So there's 2 lights left, one with the motion detector, one a regular light, and basically have to set up the scaffolding again and then walk across that. Have to run a couple boxes, a little bit of pipe, some wire, and then mount the lights, shoot the anchors to the ceiling, run the jack chain, wire the lights, and all that stuff. So a couple of those left, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing that by myself tomorrow or my coworker's going to be helping me. So that is what is going to be happening tomorrow, and then after that I'm not sure. So we'll see how long that takes, and yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. And I honestly can't believe that it is Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday already. I've already worked 40 hours this week, and tomorrow I'm not sure if I'll be doing 8 hours or 10 hours, but I'll be getting some more overtime, so that's nice. Not that I really want to or whatever, but hey, if they want it, I'll do it, I guess. So anyways, one more video tomorrow, and then I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but yep.